I'm Froggy.
And I'm Little Froggy.
And we are at Toy Fair 2018 getting ready to look at some of the Disney princesses from Hasbro. In the spring, we have water play, fashion play, and hair play. Ariel in Swimming Adventures is water activated, where she will swim in the water. The fashion dolls are Royal Shimmer Assortment, and they have updated face molds. If you look closely at their outfits, you can see this really pretty watercolor theme going on. If you remember, we have used several of these dolls for custom dolls, and Sleeping Beauty definitely has a new look. I think she looks very sweet, and I'm loving that dress. These are action adventure fashion dolls, and Mulan is rocking that fearless look. Look at that! Mulan is serious, and Rapunzel whips her hair. Belle is here with her wardrobe. I think this is so much fun. The wardrobe is one of my favorite characters from the movie. And horses, you know how we love horses. And of course, Ariel has to have her ride too. In the undersea carriage, she is pulled by a seahorse, and it moves when you move the carriage. The pop-up palace is fully furnished, therefore your princesses can have the best there is to offer. And what I really like about this is that it folds up, so it's portable and you can take the play on the go. Disney Princess's Little Kingdom is introducing magical movers. These innovative small dolls are kid-powered. And they power their accessories. Ah, I love that the horse is moving. There we go, woohoo! This is Rapunzel's Twirling Tower playset. And dances with Finn. Elena of Avalor has new fashion dolls. They've got beautiful gowns from the series. Some of our favorite characters will have dolls, and they are introducing a new character, Marissa the Mermaid. You can expect to see her in fall of 2018. In fall of 2018, they will also have the Royal Boat Voyage, which comes with a small doll. The Curl and Twirl Tangled doll has yarn-infused hair. It has like wax on it so that you can curl it and it stays in place. And they will be introducing Cassandra, Rapunzel's closest confidant from the series. She is fully articulated with 9 points of articulation. Those are like the best knees.
This is Singing Moana. She sings the song from the movie How Far I'll Go when you press her necklace. See the mud, the sea, it calls me. The wonder, how far it goes. Coming out in fall 2018 is Pua's Playtime. You get Pua and some accessories, and then if you look closely at Moana, she has a new face sculpt. Gorgeous! And now, right now, is the Moana Stencil and Design playset, where you can use the stencils and a water pen to create a design on her gown. Disney Descendants. We've seen Disney, and there will be new surprise content coming this fall.
Disney Frozen Little Kingdom has Elsa's castle. You get Elsa and Anna, some accessories, and there are 3 levels of play. This playset is due to hit stores in fall of 2018. Then you can build your own Arendelle with these playsets. They snap together so you can mix and match for however you like. Disney Frozen Sliding Adventures allows Elsa to zoom across the table. And for Frozen Icy Lights Elsa, you press her arm down for some lights and cool sound effects.
Are you ready?
From Olaf's Frozen Adventure, we have a lot of dolls available. and coming out in spring of 2018 are these individual dolls. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at some of the new Disney princesses.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure to follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Blog.
And we will see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Doing what I feel like, and if you're